How to add multiple Google accounts in Microsoft Edge. Hey guys, so in this video I'll show you step by step how to add multiple Google account in Microsoft Edge browser. First up, after you open up the Microsoft Edge browser, go to the search and search for Gmail. After you search for Gmail, here is now email login, so click on it. So from there, now it will ask you to type in your Gmail address, so I'll paste in mine. Here is it. Click on this next. So now it will ask you for the password for your email for your account. So here, after you type in the password, now click on this next. So as you can see now it will take you to your Gmail account that you just added. So now here is the Gmail account that I just added. As you can see now here is the Gmail account that I just added into my Google Microsoft Edge browser. So the next thing to do, now click on this profile icon. After you click on the profile icon, now click on this settings gear icon. So from this option, all you have to do, now click on this add profile button. So now it says create profile, sign in with additional email account. So click on this add button. So now it will ask you to sign in. So I'll just go now and click on this sign in without data. So I'll just uncheck this one and click on this confirm and start browsing. So the next thing to do, all you have to do, just click on this, select the browser interface. I'll just go ahead and select this one. I'll just choose this one, black and white, and click on this next again. So the next thing to do now, it will ask you to customize your home page, but I'll just click on this finish. After you finish that, click on this accept button. So from there, now it will ask you to sign in. So the next thing to do now, click on this option. So now as you can see now here is the first profile and here is the second profile. It has no like data inside it. So the next thing to do now, click on this sign in. So click on this sign in to. Not now, click on this button, sign in again. So now it will ask you to type in the Gmail account that you use now. So I'll just go ahead now and type in the Gmail account that I just added. So after you type in Gmail account that you just added, so click on this sign in again. So now it will ask you for the password of the Gmail account. So after you give it the password, so from there it will give you, as you can see now, it will give you like two profile. If you click on the profile button, so it will give you two profile. So here is the second one and here is the first one. So you can go ahead now and switch between the profiles for your own use. And that's it guys on how to add multiple Gmail account or multiple Google account on Microsoft Edge browser. If you have any question, let me know in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. We'll meet in the next one.